Today I am with a new video, that is IELTS test. IELTS test is a test which enable you to go through the country where IELTS is required. IELTS is an international English language testing system that enables you to travel through the countries where English is required. IELTS is of two types, that is, one is academic IELTS and the second one is general IELTS. Academic IELTS is required from the students, that those who go or who want to go to a country where English is required, or their educational activities are in English, so they have to take educational IELTS. Where general IELTS is required from this people who are willing to go through a country where English is required, and they have to get IELTS test. And there is not a big difference, but there is a difference between those two tests, that academic IELTS and general IELTS. This is the book which will absolutely help you for the preparation of IELTS test, and it's from the Barons, the leader in test preparation, and it's the 4th edition written by Dr. Lynn Lougheed or anything. And the main thing is that it is composed of MP3 audio CD, which is included from with all listening exercises and model exams. So you can listen to the for your listening test. That will help you much more, and you don't have to go through the internet and search for anything and waste your time. So it's a good source of preparation for IELTS. So I will recommend this book, which is best, I think. So now I will tell you that IELTS test is composed of four portions. That is, the one is speaking, and the second is listening, third is writing, and fourth is reading. And these all four are now distributed into two parts. The speaking test will be held at one time, and the other three, that is listening, writing, and reading test, will be held after or before the speaking test, one day, or I think one day before or after this test. If you are going to do the submit your application, go through the British Council, and in Pakistan its cost is about 32,000 to 35,000 rupees, and it has scheduled dates of their test, and the test centers are in I think all over the major cities of Pakistan. If you want to prepare yourself from mobile, so you can go through the Play Store and search for the application IELTS. I will show you the icon of that IELTS application that will help you in this is the type of email that you will receive when you register yourself for IELTS test. So here it is paper based test, because in my test center in Quetta, Balochistan, there is only paper based test, and test type is academic for me. And here are two types of tests, that is, one is listening, reading, and writing. On 13:00 test start time, and I have to arrive at 11:30 for registration. And speaking test is on in the morning 9:10, and I have to reach there at 50 AM on 7th March. This is the type of email that you will receive when you register yourself for IELTS test. To prepare for these all four portions of IELTS test, and for your listening, and to know how to use the accent, there is a channel in podcast, Google Podcast. There is application in Play Store, podcast. And the channel that will help you more is the No Sleep. The No Sleep consists of many audio recordings that will help you to prepare for your listening, and other things that will help you in all your four options. I think it's the best source for your uh, British accent or for your American accent. You can differentiate through them when you will listen to these conversations between two persons or three persons. Yes, that's more interesting. This is Play Store and I am searching for podcast that I have told you. I have installed already, so I open it and I will go through uh, the No Sleep podcast. That is the channel that has many conversation, drama, etc. So let's play it. I was listening to it a moment earlier, so that is buffering because my network is very slow. So that is the type of podcast channel.
I know,
Let's start
but
now.
believe me, I'd die if I could. While lovingly pouring gasoline into the fuel tank, she tells me,
I love that movie, The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Probably saw it a little too young. That part where he sticks the girl on the meat hook? Man, that really revs my engine. Bubba was one of my first teenage crushes.
That was the type of conversation that you will listen and you can understand and you can prepare yourself for IELTS test. And there is a speed if you are listening it on higher speed or lower speed, that depend upon you. So now I came back to the book. The book is composed of introduction, preparing for IELTS, listening module. Listening module consists of quick study, overview, question types, listening types, tips, and completing the blanks. There is more. There are more exercises, and listening skills are composed of 14 skills that will help you to be master of your listenings if you prepare daily for some time. And the other is reading module with quick study, overview, question type, reading skills that is made of from academic section, and the reading skills for general training. So there is a little bit difference between them. So now we can come to writing module. Writing module consists of quick study, overview, question types, task achievement skills that are academic writing, and the other is general training writings. General training writings and academic writings, the both in task 2. For speaking module, you have given the quick study overview, speaking tips that will help you how to speak and how to pronounce yourself, and how to pronounce your words, and introduction and interview. Obviously there is a interview, there will be an interview in your speaking test, and organizing a topic, discussing through a topic. You will have to you will have a given you will be given a topic. According to that topic, you have to discuss and describe the on which topic you are depends on your topic that is given to you, and responding to follow-up questions, discussions, and general speaking skills. General speaking skills for the general people who are not going to other countries for education but for a general purpose like traveling, business, etc. In the last, IELTS model tests are given for you how to know about yourself, that how have you prepared. There is a IELTS model test. I will suggest that when you are going to do that test, confirm that you are submitting your application before a month or 2 months, so you have enough time to prepare for yourself for the IELTS test. It looks easy but it's not so easy, and it's hard but not so hard. It's type of middle test. If you prepare for it, that will be very easy for you. I came to back on my Play Store and I am now searching for IELTS Prep application that will help you for the preparation of IELTS, and it is from British Council. That will help you a lot. That's you can understand what should be the pattern of what will be the pattern of IELTS test. That's it. That's the logo, and that's the app that you will find on Play Store and prepare yourself. So it's already installed on my mobile, but I have to update it. That's it.